In this video, we'll walk through how to access and use user logs to track activity in your account. In the main dashboard, go to the Settings tab, then click Teammate Activity. Please note that to track teammate activity, you'll need an enterprise subscription and owner or administrator rights on the account. For more details on team roles, check the link in the description. You can filter by date range to track actions within a specific period. When you click on the Activity tab, a drop-down menu appears where you can choose from different activities, such as creating a flipbook, updating a flipbook, or many more. There is also a Teammates section where you can select which teammates activity you would like to view. Keep in mind that you can filter logs for up to 90 days, not just the latest 90 days. When you are done, click the Apply button. If you want to save this data onto your device, you can simply export it as a CSV file. Pay attention though when applying a filter. Only this data will then be downloaded in your CSV file.